Let me ask you something. Is it really possible to sit down at your computer with zero investment and in just a few hours create something that could generate income for years? Before I answer that, let me tell you a quick story. Imagine this. You wake up, grab your coffee, sit at your desk. You're not a writer, you've never written a book, but you want extra income. And right in front of you is an assistant that can write, brainstorm, and structure everything for you. That assistant is ChatGPT. And today, I'm going to show you how to use it to write your own ebook, publish it on Amazon, and turn it into a passive income stream, even if you've never written a single page before. But first, why ebooks? Why ChatGPT? And why now? Because here's the truth. As Neil Dagger says in the ChatGPT Millionaire, a good ebook can create royalty for years to come, and ChatGPT can help you with almost all of it. So yes, when done right, a single ebook can keep earning for years. And no, you don't have to write it, you just direct it. Here's how. First, you need a niche, but not just any niche. You need one that still has demand, but low competition. So here's your first command for ChatGPT. Give me 10 ebook niche ideas that are underexplored, but have reader demand. You'll be surprised what it suggests. Digital detox, quiet travel-focused techniques for remote workers. Sleep psychology. These are real topics people care about, but few books are written about them. Let's say you pick digital detox. Next, give ChatGPT this. Create 10 ebook title ideas for a digital detox-themed book. One powerful title might be Unplugged, the ultimate guide to digital detoxing and finding peace in the modern world. Sounds professional, right? It positions you as an expert instantly. Now let's move on to the content itself. Ask ChatGPT. Create a full chapter outline for the ebook titled Unplugged. In seconds, it gives you a professional structure with 6 to 8 chapters. Then write each chapter with this. Write chapter 1 in a calm, professional, and reader-friendly tone, around 600 to 700 words. Want to change the style? No problem. Try this. Rewrite the introduction in the style of Mark Manson, casual and direct. It's that flexible. You're not writing, you're directing. Need a cover? Use Canva. Free? Grammar check? Use Grammarly. Now ask ChatGPT, write a compelling book description optimized for Amazon KDP. Then pricing. Suggest an ideal price point for a nonfiction ebook to maximize downloads and royalties. Neil Dagger recommends $2.99 to $4.99. That sweet spot Amazon's algorithm loves. Once uploaded, you can earn up to 70% royalties per sale. And what about promotion? ChatGPT handles that too. For example, write a marketing email for the ebook, Unplugged, targeting burned-out tech professionals. Write a tweet announcing its release in an exciting tone. Reformat the tweet into a Medium blog post. You don't just write, you multiply. So here's the truth. This isn't about maybe you can do it. This is about if you give the right prompt, you will do it. Start today, and by tomorrow you could have a book. By next week, your first sale. By next month, income flow. You're no longer the writer. You're the architect. That's it for today. And remember, you're not selling effort anymore. You're building systems. See you in the next one.